Growing up involves taking more responsibility for your actions, which can sometimes cause tension between you and your parents. However, maintaining open communication and showing respect for their wishes can help alleviate this tension. It's important to avoid disrespectful body language, such as crossing your arms or rolling your eyes, and to listen to your parents without interrupting. Clarifying their messages by repeating what they said in your own words can help prevent miscommunication. Regularly having conversations with your parents and keeping them informed about your whereabouts can strengthen your relationship and build trust. Remaining calm and negotiating rules you disagree with can also help resolve conflicts. Lastly, it's important to avoid putting down your parents' beliefs, and try to see things from their perspective, understanding that they want what's best for you. Making an effort to see their good intentions will help foster respect and make it easier for you to obey your parents.